The concept of Jahannam, hell, in Islam, is mentioned throughout the Quran and Hadiths, with descriptions of its various levels and punishments. While the exact number and nature of these levels are not definitively stated, the concept of 7 levels is commonly mentioned in Islamic traditions. Here's a brief overview of the 7 levels of Jahannam. 1. Al-Hutama, the crushing fire. This is the first level of Jahannam described as a blazing fire that crushes sinners like dry twigs. 2. Jahannam, hellfire. The namesake level, it's a raging inferno where sinners are tormented by intense heat and flames. 3. Sakar, the scorching fire. This level is characterized by scorching winds and burning rocks that inflict excruciating pain. 4. Al-Laza, the blazing fire. An intense fire that devours sinners completely, leaving only cinders. 5. Al-Hawiyah, the abyss. The 5th level is a bottomless pit of darkness and despair where sinners are thrown and left to suffer eternally. 6. Sa'ir, the burning fire. This level is said to be filled with scorching flames and poisonous smoke, making it a place of unbearable agony. 7. Al-Jahim, the hot place. The lowest and most severe level of Jahannam, described as a fiery furnace of intense heat and suffering. It's important to note that these descriptions are metaphorical and serve as reminders of the consequences of sin in the afterlife. The true nature of Jahannam is beyond human comprehension and ultimately lies in the hands of Allah. Here are some additional points to consider. The severity of punishment in each level is believed to be proportional to the gravity of the sins committed. Some scholars interpret the levels as metaphorical, representing different states of spiritual deprivation and suffering. The concept of Jahannam serves as a reminder to Muslims to live a righteous life and avoid sin. It's important to approach this topic with respect and sensitivity, acknowledging the diversity of interpretations and perspectives within Islamic scholars.